Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay taxes using the Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Robinhood application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, if you do have it, ignore that. If you don't, just go download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign up to create your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So as you can see here, they are actually asking me to enter a pin code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they will not ask you to enter any pin code. But the second time they will enter the application, they will actually ask you to set a pin code first. Then whenever you enter the application, they will ask you to start entering that pin code that you set. So for me, my pin code is 4 zeros. If I type that, they will actually the application will open, and that will actually be your home or main screen. So from here, you would like first of all to start using the application to verify your account. You will find out how to do that in one of our videos on this channel. Of course, you would like to add some funds as well, at least $1, to start using the application correctly, because if you didn't verify and add some funds, you will not have the full options and you cannot invest into this application. So let's just go back to our idea in this tutorial. So how to pay taxes in Robinhood. So filing taxes on Robinhood assets, you can actually a capital gain distribution would be reported on line 7 on form like 1040, I guess. Yeah, so first of all, let's just say, do I need to report Robinhood on taxes? So it's important to note that every transaction made on Robinhood is reported on the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS, and can turn into a tax nightmare if not reported properly on your tax return. So in short, this means that if you sell an investment at a profit, it must be reported on your individual tax return. So of course, after that, you can actually pay your taxes at any profit you gain through Robinhood. And if you are asking actually how much do you have to pay on Robinhood, so stocks held less than 1 year subject to the short-term capital gains tax rate, which is the same tax rate you pay on your ordinary income. So stocks held longer than a year gets taxed at the more favorable long-term capital gains rate. So of 0 to 15, even to 20% maybe, yeah, depending on your income level. So the higher income level or profit you got, the higher tax you got. So how to pay your taxes? Robinhood will actually send you a document, the 1099, and then you will be able to pay it through the application or through another platform if you want. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.